Recording again and the Facebook Live
Thanks,
again.
Anu.
Yes,
Thank you so much for showing it.
you're most welcome. You made a piece of beautiful, you beautifully expressed. Sorry, my eyes are watering today. I'm not crying. I have no idea. My eyes are watering. Probably it was a lot for me. I mean, guzar jayega. It's like saying this time too will pass. And you don't have to stop living just because this time is tough. And that's so beautifully put.
Thank you
So
so much.
nicely. Let me just take the video off completely before I close down. I don't even know where it's running.
No, it is such a beautiful video, and Jazzy, it's really nice.
Thank you.
Oh,
First, call me
Yes,
Jay.
I'm trying to take off some video that is going on in my.
okay.
Just give me a minute.
As long as it's not an adult video, we are okay with it, Anu.
Yeah, there we go.
नहीं हम लोग तो मतलब it is like every day. I joined so late today because we were just warned for the locust breakout in our area. Now we are expecting the locust to reach our area by tomorrow morning. So we were all busy getting our pots inside, and I mean it's crazy, and it's raining outside.
Really? Which area?
Delhi NCR,
Okay.
Ghaziabad to be precise.
Mm-hmm.
वो locust अब इस side को आ रहे हैं सारे. There was a locust threat. I'm sure you must be aware of
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
So
And the best thing was one of my aunts shared a recipe of it.
locust.
Yes.
No.
That's Jay for all of you. Okay, so let's open up for questions with him. He created this. So Jay, before we go with everyone else, how did you create this? You created it in lockdown time when you couldn't even, there was social distancing going on. How did you go about? Give us a little bit of brief on how you did it.
Actually, what was happening was I have an NGO called Stamp. I think you're aware of it. There's an NGO that I run, Stamp, which is about tree plantation and stuff like that. So what we were planning just before the lockdown was we were planning to do a song for that. And Tanisha Mukherjee, who's my partner, she was trying to say that, okay, let's bring all the actors together, do something about it. But immediately while we were discussing this, immediately after that, this lockdown happened. And this is a friend of mine who's a very close friend, lives in my building itself. So in the lockdown, we were hanging out together. We had nothing to do. And I was planning my film. I was planning that what could I create within the lockdown and within the limitations of the four walls, if we could create a movie and it was actually interesting enough and enticing enough. While we were talking about it, he said, Bhaiya, why don't we make the song? That's the song that you were talking about. So I said, nah, that's for the NGO and stuff like that. He said, no, let's just change it to the Corona thing. So I said, okay. So then we should talk about the time this shall pass. So we had this Zoom meeting with the music director, who's again a friend, Jazim Sharma, whose popular song is Grey Wala Shade from Man Marzi, I don't know which. So a lot of hit songs. So we spoke to Jazim. We said, Jazim, what about we create a song on this? So he said, yeah, let's do that. And while we were just creating, and it was about him singing and a few actors and a few friends who were going to act in that. But then we thought that what about the voiceover? We were thinking of Ajay Devgan to bring in the voiceover. So somebody said Ajay Devgan or Bachchan Saab. So we said, okay, let's message him and let's see if he's this thing. And we had he was creating something. So next morning, it was at around 8 o'clock in the night that we messaged him through a friend. By almost like 4:30 in the morning, there was a mail saying that, okay, what is to be done? And by 10 o'clock, there was a phone call from Mr. Bachchan saying, Acha, kya karna hai? Kahan lines kahan hai? And we had no lines. We had nothing for him. And there was somebody else writing the lyrics. His name is Sid. Was writing the lyrics for Guzar Jayega and all that. I'd given him a thought that Guzar Jayega means this too shall pass kind of a thing. We want this thing. So, and in such a short period, there was nobody. If we would have even called him, and he was working the entire night, so I knew that he's going to be sleeping. So within 2 hours, and Mr. Bachchan is so precise. He said, "अच्छा ठीक है, 12 बजे तक मुझे लाइनें भेज देना." And it was 10 o'clock in the morning when he called us. 12 बजे तक लाइनें. So then I had to sit and pen those lines down. Was the entire Bachchan Saab narrative. So
you've done that.
Yeah. So I've written the narrative is written. The Mr. Bachchan narrative is written by me. So I penned it down. Then a lot of objections started coming because all the team, they said, no, moth word use mat karo, isme ye word use mat karo. It doesn't look thoda aisa na ho jaye. But being a director, I wanted that imagery. So I sent it to Mr. Bachchan, and he, by the night, he started sending us takes after takes. Some 15 takes were already there on a computer by 10 o'clock in the night. And
Wow.
we were quite surprised with his professionalism. And we were taking it very lightly. So when Mr. Bachchan came in, then we realized that, okay, let's open the canvas. Let's ask more actors to come. So then Sanju Baba came in, Sunny Deol came in. In the last moment, they all backed out. So then I had to ask a few friends because they were doing their own projects. Sanjay Dutt was doing a project with Mr. Modi. Sanju Baba was doing another project with Shri Ravi Shankar. So they had, the time was an issue. So then I had to ask Sonu Sood to do it. Then I had to ask Tanisha to do it. Ravina was a great help. She came on board. So all these people, they started to say, kya karna hai. But the problem was all these people were sending us videos, but the videos were shot on their phones. There was hardly any light. There was no makeup, no hair, nothing. And imagine we are right now sitting in front of Zoom and we still have different lightings. Imagine when we're shooting. So there was so I had no DOP. The DOP is a director of photography, to do it. Then I called up, and I needed the hospital. You can't shoot in the hospital. So I called a friend who's a photographer, who's not a cinematographer, who's a photographer. I called him in Delhi, again, NCR. So I called him. I said, his name is Sahil. He's my childhood friend. So I said, Sahil, here I need.
It's Yashoda Hospital, very close to where I stay, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah. So, yeah. So I asked him. So I called him. I said, "Yeah, I need the hospital." He said, "Yeah, shoot करने के लिए permissions चाहिए होंगी, चीजें चाहिए." I said, "Okay, ठीक है, let's pull some strings." But he pulled some strings, and he got on to Delhi streets and gave us those shots. But he was a still photographer, and I wanted those shots, the moving shots and stuff like that. So then he, on location, was on the phone and saying, "Okay, how should I move my camera? Should I move it left? Should I move it right?" And that's how we planned the entire thing. We shot with the sweepers, we shot with the other people, and slowly he realized the movement that I wanted, the language of camera that I wanted, and we started getting our shots. Then all these actors started sending. In fact, you must have seen Manoj Bajpayee's shot in the end.
Yes.
So Manoj Bajpayee sent me some 20 different shots, and none was usable because they were so shaky and bad because of the light and because of all those things. We couldn't use them. And Harbhajan Singh had sent me a lot of shots, Mahesh Bhupati, and all these shots were not usable. And to put them all together, finally, Google said, because looking at these 113 artists all coming together, they were all getting excited about the entire thing. So they said, okay, we are going to launch it. We are going to do a big Yahoo launch and all. And that was supposed to happen 30th of last month. So 30th of last month, we were supposed to launch it. And then the editor, because all the footage which is coming to me was going to an editor's table, who is not in front of me. Normally what happens when we direct, we sit with the editor and we edit the entire thing. But in this case, what was happening was the entire footage was taken, had gone somewhere else. And those guys were telling me on the phone, that isko yahan se jod dete hain, iska yahan se kaat ke laga dete hain. Nothing, I could not see it visibly. So when the song came to me on 30th of April, and I looked at it and I was like literally in tears. I said, what the hell is this? I cannot release this. So everybody started putting pressure on me. No, we have a deadline. There's a release. We have to upload the song by 5 o'clock in the morning. And it was 11 o'clock in the night on 30th when the song came to me. And we had a big showdown, all of us. And finally, I put my foot down. I said, this rubbish is not going on here, no matter what. And we put the project down. We canceled the project on 30th of April.
Oh my God.
We killed it. We said, this rubbish is not going on. And finally, till morning, we were all having arguments because there was a lot of money which was invested into it, a lot of actors we had taken favors from. But because it was so bad, because it was put so badly together, that it was looking really, really bad. In fact, Mr. Bachchan started distancing himself from the song because he realized that they're creating some rubbish. And because I was not in control. So finally, I know, and I'm not now disclosing a secret. Finally, what we did on the first, when the project was shelved, on the first, I called a few people, and one young editor who was an amateur editor who lived close to my house said, "Sir, I will come and work." But our building was under lockdown, so nobody from the outside was allowed. And I am the part of the committee. I am the chairman of the building. So I had put those restrictions to everybody that nobody from the outside is allowed. But we were in such an emergency that I had to put that man into my boot, the car's boot, and smuggle. We had to literally smuggle a human into a building during. And that is true. And the guy who's my friend, who's my neighbor also, and he was really scared. He said, "If we are caught, we are gone." We literally smuggled a human in a building. We kept him with us for 4 days, and I was sitting with him constantly and working on the edit. And that's how finally we put the song together. And then it went for post-production and all, and that's how we launched on the 11th. But still, like right now, when I was watching again, I was finding so many faults in that. ये वाला cut यहाँ से यहाँ लग सकता था. इस actor को तो हटा देना चाहिए था. I could see a lot of problems, but 11th was our date. And we launched it, and we didn't realize that it's going to go that viral or this big, that people are going to create memes, and the way Mr. Bachchan's voiceover has been recycled again and again with various different visuals and stuff like that. So, and suddenly we were surprised from next day, the kind of newspaper, almost every newspaper in India covered this song, every television channel covered this song. And somehow all the people, and by then, okay, one more thing happened. By 11th, 10th, Mr. Bachchan distanced himself from the song. So we asked him to give a press quotation. He refused. He said, no, chodo, release the song, but I have nothing to do with it. When then the next morning he mailed us back saying that after watching the video, I think you guys have done, and then he tweeted it, posted it, gave interviews, and
Wow.
somehow it worked for everyone. I'm not sure how, because this was such a khichdi that it could have gone wrong very easily. Somehow, I suppose because the intention, as you were saying, the universe was working towards it. Somehow it was working, and it all came together. This is how we created the song. But because of this song, the good thing that is happening. Thank you, Archana. the good thing that happened was I realized the mistakes that we made, the kind of shortcomings that were there, the kind of areas which were really difficult for me. So with that, I got the strength that I'm now producing and directing a film very soon, which is we are going to be on floor. I'm working on the script these days. So, which is again within the limitations of the lockdown. So if I wouldn't have done this video, I wouldn't have realized that these are the shortcomings, the makeup issues, the camera issues that we normally do not face, the editing issues. In normal day-to-day life, we have an editing suite. We walk into the editing suite, you can correct a lot of things. You can put things together, you can correct them. But in this scenario, how to work in this scenario, and suddenly while writing also, when I'm working on the script with other writers also, what I'm realizing is that the way we write the script, how we approach a subject is also changed completely. Because now, like we are talking right now, my conversation has to be interesting enough to hold my audience. So if that is not there, so it has to be interesting. It has to be a very, very human, a very, very intimate story that you have to tell. It cannot be about beating 20 people, fighting, running through this thing. We cannot have the action, big action, or big dance sequences or big romantic sequences will not work. What will work is a very, very good human interaction.
Guys, please mute yourself. Thank you. Yeah, go on.
So this is what we are looking at right now. So this is what the industry is also, all of them. In fact, yesterday I saw a trailer from, I suppose Ramu has created a movie, Ram Gopal Verma has created a movie. So he's working towards a quarantine movie. So now suddenly the creativity is changing. Whatever we are trying and attempting is all changing and coming out. We're finding our ways. We're finding new ways to tell stories, which I'm sure in coming few days, we'll mature as actors, producers and directors. And as actors, I suppose right now what earlier we were paying these big stars like a Salman or a Shah Rukh, all these people, because they used to pull in crowds in a cinema hall. But what is going to change if this continues to survive is that new stars are going to emerge through the OTT platforms that we have, through Netflix and through other platforms. So earlier it was a very close coterie where few people could only enter, because if you have to invest 100 crores on somebody, then you have to, that person has to be somebody. But now in today's time, which is the OTT, the digital platforms that are emerging, I could bet on anybody because it's not the person, it's the story and the content that's going to work. So that's the newness which we are all trying to understand. We might be wrong. We are still experimenting, but I think it's a good thing that has happened to us. I think the entire lockdown, I think, is a blessing. It is, we need to look back and understand why this has happened. And I am, yeah, you.
So why do you think it's happened? According to you, you were telling me that the way you look at it is entirely different. So why do you think this lockdown has happened? And, what's your take on it?
Earlier, like if I would ask you, we all get degrees. Yeah, we all have degrees, master's degrees, bachelor's degrees, right? Has anybody wondered why it is called degree? Why do we have degree colleges?
No, tell me.
So earlier, in the Roman times especially, people who could measure stars in degrees were called masters.
Okay.
Anybody who was educated was only educated if he could understand the language of the stars. In the later, when Christianity came into play and all these things, when we started cowing down the real education, then the things started changing. Then we started teaching them how to create buildings or stuff like that, which was a completely material. But before that, any education was education only if you could understand stars, the language of the stars. So that's why all the colleges were called degree colleges, because they used to understand the degrees, how the stars move. So I have always been fascinated with the language of the stars. And so I have been a student of Western astrology, Indian astrology, Islamic astrology. There is some astrology. Most of India doesn't know about it. So I've always been a very, very inquisitive about all these things. So according to me, while this was happening during December, I suppose, we were I had gone to my hometown for Christmas. So we were there, and I was talking to my friends and everybody, and I was saying that something major is going to happen. I think the 5 stars, 5 different and 5 very, very stars are coming together. So there might be something. And if any child is born from 25th to 30th of December, there would be a very, very potentially very difficult child who's going to be born. And a few days back, somebody in April, somebody sent me that chat back through, all it was on WhatsApp. And they said, yes, Corona was born then.
Wow.
And from there, if you look at it, what has happened is, we have been so selfish and so self-centered all this while that when we look at the stars also, when we go to an astrologer also, when we ask people also, when we talk to the doctors also, scientists also, they're only interested in the humankind, while we are just one part of it.
Yes.
And we were so obsessed with ourselves that we were only worried about ourselves. But the big man, which is Shani, which we call Shani, others call it Satan, is for the first time has entered after 30 years he enters this place, when he's entered a Rashi, where Shani is supposed to be, Shani, the word Shani comes from Shani, Shane Chalne Wala, which means slow moving planet. And it is supposed to be the judge. That's why people are scared of him, because he gives a judgment. So if you look at all the courtrooms of the world, they all wear black. If you go to a Shani temple, you'll see people wearing black.
Yes.
They all have a hammer, which is a Thor's hammer.
Yes.
From the Roman god Thor. So Shani basically is being celebrated or things like that. And there's one more clue that I'm going to give you. If you look at Shani, if you look at this planet Saturn, you'll see a cube on Saturn, which is a storm which has been going there for millennia, thousands and thousands of years. There's a storm which has got a cubical shape. And that cube is being worshipped by the world. If you look at the Jews, they will be wearing a black cube on their forehead.
Mm-hmm.
If you go to New York, various places, you'll find this black cube everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
All they right now do not remember, because the way we do not remember that degree college kyun hai, similarly we do not remember that we are praying to planet Saturn in different various ways. If you look at the logo of various Pepsi logo, or if you look at Toyota logo, they are all Satan. The Satan,
Yes.
and there are rings around it.
Yes.
We are all in various ways praying to Satan, and that's what has now, this planet has become angry, and for the first time has given a verdict against the humankind. So if you look at it, everybody, every single life form of the universe is happy except the humankind. They're being jailed. Every single, not even a little grass, that little leaf or little mosquito, nobody, everybody's free. They're all living happily. Nobody's getting harmed except humankind. We are locked in different houses. I cannot go and meet my mother. You cannot go and meet your family. We're locked in different houses. And we do not know. And it's not harming animals. It's not harming fishes. It's not harming birds. It's not harming trees. So we had misused or abused the other life forms so much that now is the time when we have been told, sit back, let them live, and see how the nature is coming and reliving through this time.
Absolutely.
You would hear the birds chirping. You would hear things like this thing happening. This new thing that she was talking about is coming in Ghaziabad.
Locust.
Yes. So if you look at, they're all having a party except the humankind. And we've been locked behind this. So this is I may be absolutely wrong, but this is my sense of the entire thing. Until August, till the time planet Saturn and Mars and all these planets are together, it is going to go worse. It's not going to cow down. Right now, because the Jupiter has moved back into, what is that? Has retrograded. So till the time it comes back to this thing, there's going to be a few fluctuations in our understanding. But again, in the August, by August, you'll see again the pandemic going wild. Until September, till Mars moves out of this Rashi or this thing, you'll see all this happening, because we have been punished, and rightly so, I think. And now the good part is, who is benefiting from it? My 1.5-year-old child is benefiting from it. Why?
Yeah, because
I was
he's
not
getting
giving
good.
any time to him.
Yeah.
So if you look at, all the innocents are benefiting from it, and all the clevers, we were thinking we were too clever. हमारी share market यहाँ जा रही है, ये जा रही है, वो जा रही है, सब धरती पे आ चुके हैं. Anything which is not the essential is getting a hit. Turn around and look at it. And we think and because we have been so used to our thought process, and we've been living in a mind so much, that we think that ye chala gaya, wo aa gaya, ye ruk gaya, cheezein ho gayi. But if you look at it, still, the people who look at 8.5 billion people on this planet, what could have put us behind bars if not the gods? We've all been prosecuted. We've all been punished, and rightly so, I think. We deserve it, because the kind of pollution that we pulled off, the kind of eating habits that we had, the way we abused this planet, nobody else had done that. And we are all party to it. We might be saying, but it's almost like a mind of a crowd. So we have been party to that mind of the crowd. I might not be liking what the Chinese are eating, but I'm still eating my chicken, which is again from this thing. I might not be liking how the vegetables are, whatever they're doing, but I'm still eating those vegetables, and I do not know whether the people that are getting the right cost. We are all a part of this, and according to our participation into it, we are getting the suffering is according to our participation into it. Might be I'm not calculating the suffering, but if you look at it, this is just another perspective. This may be wrong, this may be right, I'm not sure. But if you look at the entire perspective, it is, and we deserve it. I think we deserve it. When I sit back now, earlier I used to try and sell the stories to somebody else. Now for the first time, I'm writing a story for myself. This is the first thing that I've done for myself, the song that I've created. Earlier,
Wow.
Earlier, I was
Oh, that's
always
big.
creating something for somebody else. So it was the pay scale or the package which was deciding what would I create. It was on demand. As a creator, for the first time, I'm satisfied with what I'm going to create. I may fail, but that's going to be my creation. I have written so many songs before. Nobody remembers them. But this, because the poetry was not written under pressure. This was written because I wanted to write. This is what I was feeling. It has suddenly become so popular that people are sending me messages, recording in their own voices. I'm recently, in a couple of weeks, I'm shooting with the Bharatnatyam dancers of the world, this thing dancers. They want to perform on this. There was a girl performing in New York on this poetry and translating it. So because this was not coming out of pressure, I was not doing it for money. So suddenly the thing that which was driving us has been taken away from us because that was not the right thing. And it is very essential that it needed to happen, and we should grab this opportunity to understand what is going on with us and find and understand what is essential for us. Yes, we might be suffering. If you're suffering, we might not have the right kind of money, we might have different issues, but still, why is this happening? And what is the way forward? Because still, we may be suffering, but if you look at the other sufferings which are happening around, the kind of things that we did to our, when you look at these Chinese chicken markets and Chinese meat markets, and you look at Indian meat markets, then you realize, what have you done? I was recently seeing a video where these little chicks were being crushed alive to create a patty.
Oh my God.
And this is a usual thing, and because we see these nicely, people like us create these advertisements. We create these little stories around how the fresh meat is coming forward and all those things, and we keep, and that's how. But we are creating pain for other people, other species of the world, and this is, I think, so. For me, this pandemic has been a lesson, and I think rightly so. I'm enjoying it thoroughly. I'm enjoying the time with my family. I'm enjoying creating things that I wanted to create. Or maybe this pressure is putting me into certain kind of creation, which I would have never done. So now, right now, I'm creating a film with 3 characters, which I would have never done. Because I would have thought of some 20 characters, some big shooting abroad, stuff like that.
So,
But
so who do you think is benefiting in this? Like, I got it that a lot of us are not, but at the same time, if you really look at it,
what are you doing?
like you've done well right now.
Huh.
So, what do you think made you do well in the period when people are really having, a downfall, or they're not okay? The share market has crashed. People don't know whether they're going to have jobs tomorrow. Another thing to look at is the people at the ground level. India always had maids and servants and drivers. There's nobody today. People are doing their own work themselves. And I remember when I came back from Czech Republic, because that's how I used to live there, no driver, no maid. So it felt like I went back to that time, and that time was a very happy time for me. I mean, I wasn't somebody for the longest. I didn't keep Bandhwa Mazdoor, I used to say, in my house, because I couldn't understand it. But somewhere, suddenly, 1.25 billion people, with very few, like you still have somebody, a Kubai at home, because there's a full-timer. But otherwise, people they're not there to help or to get. So what do you think has shifted, and why are certain people prospering? Why are certain people not going to be doing these jobs anymore? Is it again about suppressed not being there?
No, I think, see, till the time we are trying to, if we try and replicate what was happening earlier 2 months back, and we think that was the right lifestyle, then obviously we are at loss. But if you look at what is happening right now, as you're saying, you do not have a bike. You may not have, a lot of people may not have maids, or may not have the kind of money. Aren't they surviving? Aren't they eating well?
No, they're doing very well. I'm doing very well.
Yeah. So plus, as far as the share market was concerned, that was anyways a bubble and a complete facade that was created. You and me don't understand it. Why the numbers were going up? It is gambling happening out there openly, and we bought into it. And what were we doing earlier? We were slaves to the banks, because ek ghar kharida, dusra ghar kharid le, tisra, you're buying your apartments and you're just paying. What are you working for the month? To pay the installments by the end of the month, to your phone bills. So we were slaves to everything else. Right now, what is happening is the right kind of thing is happening. For example, I have not enjoyed food the way I have enjoyed in the last 2 months.
That's true.
Always moving. What ठहराव, the kind of I think, where you don't have to go anywhere. Like you wake up and you don't have to catch up किस meeting में जाना. You're not worried. You get up, you might go back to sleep. You might get up again. You might then decide what to eat because you have to make it. So you can decide what you have to eat. So the things which are happening is that ठहराव, that pause was so important in our life. We were running like headless chickens. We were just running. Nobody knew what we were doing, and we were all trying to be intelligent. एक कान के नीचे पड़ा, and we are right now realizing that वो intelligence सारा side में हो गया. All those things are now the share market people, all those things. You are right now realizing like my AC has not been working for almost like since the lockdown, and now I cannot call a AC guy because the building is not allowing. I am sleeping. Earlier, I could not sleep without an AC. Now I'm enjoying, started enjoying. I open my window and I sleep. Things are changing. So now, if we create that, okay, this is the box and that life which is in the box is only going to be the right life, then it's our problem. But just open the box and you have the world to you. Day before yesterday, now I'm trying for a few days. I've been trying to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning. So I do it alternate days because एक दिन उठता हूँ फिर उसके बाद पूरा दिन का cycle खराब हो जाता है. But what I've done is when I wake up in the morning, the birds, the sound of the bird, the kind of I want to pray, I want to sit on this thing, I want to water my plants. This was never there. Why is this happening? Is so I may be absolutely.
This is not about being right or wrong. This is about different opinions. And each one's thinking is so beautiful. So tell me what this is about according to you.
Yeah, I think it's a very important lesson that is happening in life, and we should, as long as it lasts, we should relish it. We should try and find. I would, मतलब, if tomorrow somebody tells me that अभी ये lockdown खुलने वाला है, I'll be upset because right now I've started settling down into this lockdown. I've started creating and blossoming in this lockdown. So I think this is the right time to create, right time to think, right time to introspect. So I've started Ashtavakra ki Gita. So I've started listening to that. I'm making my notes. I'm writing my book. The things that I would have never done. So this song that is created right now, I would have never called people and asked for obligation because every time it was about material exchange. I would call somebody for work and they will charge and I will pay them, and that's how the exchange happened. This time it was not about the exchange.
Yeah, it isn't.
It isn't.
It isn't.
We're having a discussion. This is not about an exchange. This is about exchange of thoughts.
Yes.
This is the right human exchange or human interaction which was supposed to happen earlier. Why could we not do this webinar earlier?
कभी दिमाग में ही नहीं आया, कभी टाइम ही नहीं मिला, कभी थमके ही नहीं देखा.
Because we are always Gita में Krishna says once कि मैं गिनती करने वालों में समय हूँ. The people who are calculating, I am time for them, which means that you keep calculating. You keep calculating, you become the biggest accountant of the world, but I would only give you one second to live. Before that is already gone. After that will come in the future. Right now, all you have is one moment. So this entire this thing, I think, has got us into this little box or little pause button that we pressed. Is a very beautiful thing for us, people like us, I think, who really think that we understand, or we try, or we are a little more subtler than the normal day-to-day materialistic people. So, like, I know your gang, and I know the kind of people that you interact with. They're intellectuals, and they're subtle thinkers. They're not the very obvious gross thinkers that कि अच्छा ठीक है 4 किलो चिकन आएगा और 5 किलो बना लेंगे, उसके बाद 10 रुपए का है तो 12 रुपए में बेच देंगे. They're not like that, right? So it's not about calculation anymore. So there are 3 kinds of maths if you look at it. So for example, earlier we used to calculate 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, and we call them mathematician, we respect them. But there's another kind of maths which is like the poetry that I created.
Yeah.
The same words, you also know those words. But when I have put it together, that calculation has come out to be something else.
Yes.
And then the third kind of maths, which is spiritual maths, which is when you're understanding something, we do not know what the total is. We may not understand it, but we're feeling good about it.
Yeah.
So right now we've shifted from the first kind of 2+2 maths to something else. We're getting into that poetic zone, and I suppose instead of being logical and right about everything, we should start living, which is right now, which I suppose these stars have taught us. And we may want it, we may decide whatever, but one more thing, that it takes one stroke. You all take one stroke and we are all locked inside, and we do not have the guts to walk out on the streets anymore. The governments are all jammed. Everything is absolutely at standstill. Nobody knows what is to be done. They were all trying to be very smart. What has happened now? Where are the intellectuals? Where are all these priests who were telling and dancing on the streets and saying, "I will heal you"? Where are they? They used to touch and heal people. Where are they? They'll come. They'll immediately jump out after the lockdown.
Yeah, they're looking for salvation right now themselves.
Everybody was trying to be intelligent. Everybody was trying to tell us that we know what the life is all about. It's suddenly being sword on their butts. They are gone. They do not know how to handle it.
So
Today I was sitting with
can we say, Jay, that the rights and the wrongs of people have changed? The yardsticks with which they're going to be measuring their life and internal life and external life is completely changed.
what is right.
है ही नहीं कुछ relative है वो तो तुझे भी मालूम है मुझे भी
As
मालूम
children, what we learn as right is, right now I have a 1.5-year-old son. Whatever I appreciate of him, if he breaks a glass and I start clapping at it and I start laughing at it, he'll think that is the right thing to do. For us, right thing is what the society appreciates. If I've been working on a script of there's a tribe called Bavaria tribe. They believe stealing things is the right thing to do. What is the right thing? Because whatever your community, whatever your society decides and appreciates is the right thing. There's no right and wrong. You ask a thief who believes in stealing.
नहीं सही कह रहा है लगा था कि बहुत बड़े हो गए हैं बहुत खुल गया है दिमाग पर एक्चुअली बहुत छोटी सी दुनिया में जी रहे हैं
We were living a completely superficial, artificial. In our minds, we were thinking a lot of things were happening. So, for example, I ask you another question, and I want to ask everybody else. This is the first chapter of my book. When was the world created?
सही कह रहे हो चलो जी सब लोग जवाब दो everybody please answer there is no Firang on the group so you can speak in Hindi
You want the answer from Ashtavakra or?
yeah चल अर्चना शुरू कर
When was the world created? Just like that.
आज उल्टा है काम हमारा स्पीकर सवाल पूछेगा चलो बताओ no it's an important question
No idea.
Anybody's got an idea?
मेरे लिए तो मेरी जिंदगी तब शुरू हुई थी जब मैं इस दुनिया में आई थी आगे पीछे का पता नहीं मुझे
Exactly. The world was created when you were born. When you could.
मेरे लिए तो सच्ची तभी जिंदगी
The world will end.
when I have ended for me
We are only. Somebody's told us that the earth is round. We believe it. Somebody told us we cannot even prove. Our parents are showing us a picture, a paper with some colors and saying they're married. They can't prove it. There's nothing else to be proved. We do not know.
जी इसका एक और बहुत प्यारा आंसर है that even the time when we were conceived जो womb में जब हम बात करते हैं ना तो जैसे विष्णु के 10 अवतारों की बात करते हैं बहुत प्यारा एक सिमली है that when we relate to the sperm you related to the Matsya avatar in a sense okay and then when the fetus grows it's the Matsya avatar growing in the sea in the womb the salt water होता है amniotic fluid होता है तो उसी तरह वो फिर जिस तरह से नरसिंह अवतार पैदा हुआ था तो उसी तरह एक बच्चा अपने माँ की गर्भ स्थल को या यूट्रस को फाड़ कर जिस तरह नरसिंह प्रकटे थे that's another avatar of Vishnu I'm sure you must be knowing
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
so उस तरह the child is born tearing the uterus of the mother either through surgery or the natural delivery that's another avatar
Brilliant.
फिर उसके बाद आप देखते हो कि बच्चा छोटा होता है तो आप देखते हो वामन अवतार आता है
Brilliant.
वामन अवतार के बाद आप देखते हैं टीनेज आती है,
परशुराम,
परशुराम अवतार देखते हैं
yeah.
कैसे तपता है। आप
हम्म,
एक टीनेजर को कुछ बोल के देखिए,
हम्म,
टीन की तरह तपेगा, टीन की तरह ठंडा होगा,
हम्म,
लेकिन अगर आप रिलेट करें तो वो वाकई में परशु अवतार है।
हम्म, हम्म,
एंड सिमिलरली एज के साथ फिर बाकी अवतार।
Yeah, absolutely brilliant. This is a brilliant interpretation.
थैंक यू।
इसका मैं एक और चीज बताता हूँ कि
बताएं। दिस इज वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट टॉपिक्स। हालांकि बोलने में थोड़ा सा वो होता है कि बहुत ज्यादा नॉलेज नहीं है, बट व्हाटएवर इट इज, इट्स अ
because
ब्लेसिंग।
all we are, I suppose, Anu, I'm maybe, is what we comprehend.
एब्सोल्युटली।
So it doesn't matter what the story is. What you comprehend out of the story is what you are. When the avatar that she's comprehending is what she'll understand, and that's going to create her. Our understanding is what is creating us. So the more we understand, and mukti again, when we talk about mukti, moksha, that is also again exactly about that. What you understand, the moment you understand. For example, बाहर एक सांप पड़ा हुआ है और मैं निकल के जाता हूँ और जैसे मैं सांप देखता हूँ बाहर, मैं डर जाता हूँ. Now my understanding of that is a snake. I back out. But कोई लाइट खोल दे और पता लगे वो रस्सी है, will I ever be scared of that? Now even light बंद हो जाए, will I be scared of that? Because I already know it's a rassi. So mukti, when we talk about moksha, the smaller moksha is this. The more you understand these avatars or things like that, you are getting these small moksha, and your understanding is widening. And now you would not, somebody else, no matter what he says, this is your own interpretation, your own understanding, and you've loved it. You understand it's right. You can know that it is right. Nobody else can know that it is right. People can agree with it, disagree with it, but you will know that it is right once it, like a lock, the key, it fits in, and you know what is right. So, for example, the same thing when you started with the sperm, in Tantra, it is said that only a Veer can learn Tantra. When
You
you
need
talk
to be
about
courageous.
huh?
You need to be courageous to.
You need to be courageous. They're not talking about, that's not the courage that they're talking about.
No, even for Tantra.
So Tantra, when they're saying that you have to be a Veer to learn Tantra, they're actually talking about Veer. Veer is a sperm.
Yeah, that's insane.
Okay. So when they're saying that you have to be Veer to learn Tantra, what they're actually saying is,
Males.
what does a sperm do?
Progeny.
It jumps into the unknown. It doesn't have these boards there saying that left jao, right jao. It follows its inner calling. And it follows its inner calling and puts all that it has. अपने स्वाहा को, he calls the inner calling swaha, अपने स्वाहा को he follows and he reaches the final goal. If he doesn't reach the final goal, it dies. If it reaches the final goal, it transforms. So you have to be a Veer to understand Tantra, which is again, you have to have your inner calling. You have to understand the inner calling and follow it blindly. It doesn't have, you don't need your boards, you don't need this thing. And if you go there, be ready to transform, because a seed has to die to become a plant. It has to be buried. It might think it's dying, but unless it dies and it breaks, you would not have a plant coming out of it. So similar thing, what she exactly said is, in this also, I think this is the time that we are getting planted. We are getting all planted. Seeds are being buried. And whatever blossoms out of us from this lockdown, I think would be beautiful. This is not my line. This is, my wife had written that. But I think it's beautiful when I heard that this lockdown is actually caving us or pushing us into one corner where we might blossom as somebody else. We should accept it. That's what I think. And maybe again, I'm saying suddenly a lot of, and I don't believe or I don't like the topic of share markets or kitna bad gaya, kitna utar gaya, because after all, it's the numbers moving in this thing. Till now, by actually, Anu, you would know, I do not even know the account, my account numbers or even my ATM card numbers.
मेरा भी यही हाल है, कोई बात नहीं, पैसे बनाने आते हैं, अपने आप यूनिवर्स संभालेगा, इज माय अंडरस्टैंडिंग. और आज तक कभी उसने भूखा रखा नहीं है, अच्छा ही रखा है.
और वो अच्छे की कैपेसिटी आपकी, आप जितना आपका, इट इज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक ऊपर से बरस रहा है। आपका मटका कितने है, उसकी कैपेसिटी कितनी है और आपके बर्तन की कैपेसिटी कितनी है, और वो सीधा रखा है कि नहीं रखा है।
मतलब
That's-
मैंने कभी सोचा ही नहीं था कि मेरे इतने कॉन्टैक्ट्स हैं।
Maybe you're missing out on a lot of old boyfriends also.
आई नो क्या
Let's not go there, please. Let's not go there. We have something or other coming in every session. Some beautiful person coming in every session. And then the Codis and the angels, they keep blessing her all the time.
मुझे तो सिर्फ एक समझ में आई है इसमें जय,
हम्म।
कि इससे पहले मैंने अपनी खिड़की दरवाजे बंद कर दिए थे शायद, और कह रही थी कि शायद हवा का कसूर है। आज देयर इज नो विंडो, देयर इज नो डोर, देयर इज नथिंग। मुझे एक ही समझ में आया कि मुझे कैद नहीं कर सकता कोई, और ना किसी को कोई कैद कर सकता, क्योंकि हमारी दिमाग, हमारा, हम, वी आर नॉट आवर बॉडी, वी आर सो बियॉन्ड इट दैट करके देखो। और हर रेवोल्यूशन किसी ने ये चेष्टा करी कि दे ट्राइड टू कैप्चर यू, दे ट्राइड टू पोजेस यू, दे ट्राइड टू होल्ड यू, एंड दैट्स वेयर एवरीथिंग गॉट क्रिएटेड फ्रॉम देयर। ना आप स्पर्म को पकड़ पाए हो, ना किसी की ग्रोथ को पकड़ पाए हो। आपको अंदाजा ही नहीं है कि आप घूम रहे हो धरती के साथ। धरती अपने इर्द गिर्द घूमती है और फिर सूरज के इर्द गिर्द घूमती है। हम भी अपनी सोच में अपने इर्द गिर्द ही घूमते रहते हैं सारा दिन, और उसके बाद हमारे लिए सूरज कोई ना कोई ऐसा इंसान होता है जिसके इर्द गिर्द घूमते रहता है। वी ऑब्सेस अबाउट कि वो ठीक है कि नहीं ठीक है, हम ठीक है कि नहीं ठीक है। It can be your family, it can be your 1.5-year-old son, it can be your weakness. My nani used to say कि you know,
तो मैं एक वीडियो सुनने के लिए बेडरूम में जाऊं, जाके तो
ये भी सुनाई देता है हर रोज, छोड़ देते हैं। मेरी नानी कहती थी कि एक कहानी सुनाती थी वो, कि पैरेट की टांग तोड़ दी तो वो आदमी की टांग टूट गई, पैरेट का हाथ तोड़ दिया तो किसी का हाथ टूट गया। आज समझ में आया कि जो तुमसे, जिसको तुम प्यार करते हो, अगर उसको कुछ हो जाए तो तुम्हारी टांग और हाथ टूटते हैं। We are so interesting, and yet we were searching for love everywhere. Love was not in big things.
I differ. Can I?
Bolona, please.
See, I love my son.
My eyes are watering like crazy. Anji.
I love my son. Okay. मेरा बेटा है, 18 महीने का है. I love him. लेकिन मेरा है, आज पता लगे मेरा नहीं है तो
भी उससे शायद वैसे ही प्यार नहीं करोगे।
सेम, उसकी तो ना शक्ल चेंज हो रही है, ना कोई चीज चेंज हो रही है। What we love is मेरा. मेरा is the most essential thing.
That's the only thing.
Wow.
That is the only crux of the whole thing.
And if you look around, people that we like have to be like us. People that we admire have to like us and admire us. We are not interested in anybody else. We say that हमारे तोते की, वो तोते की टांग इसलिए है क्योंकि वो हमारी टांग है. It is the other way around. We are only interested in ourselves. We are not interested in anybody else. All we are doing is, with everybody around us, is we are trying to reflect ourselves, and we are trying to find different ways. NLP, mirroring, if you look at those things, all these things which are coming through, आप देख लो, जाके आप कहीं देख लो, आपको इंडियन दिख जाएगा किसी आप एक कंट्री में, you'll immediately become familiar. Not because you like that Indian, because he is like you. You are, and the story, जैसे मैं stories लिखता हूँ या अपनी चीजें create करता हूँ या film बना रहा हूँ, what is the most interesting subject? What is the most interesting subject for you and me?
मेरे लिए human mind
is you. If I make a movie about you, that's going to be the most interesting subject. For all of us, the most interesting subject is us. We are not interested in anybody else. We love our husbands or we love our wives because they love us, not because we love them. It's an exchange. It's a give back. We may not understand it. Even a mother, loves the child as much as the mother loves, because it's their child, it's their offspring, it's an extension of them. How does the same mother become different with another child? You may have a lot of compassion, but deep down if you understand this, we are only trying to survive through our children, but we are trying to survive. It's us and we are only interested in ourselves. Now, if we understand that, at least we'll start loving ourselves and we will do justice to ourselves. We are in this wrong notion and wrong psychology, trying to put that burden onto somebody else, saying, नहीं तुम्हारे लिए मैं कितना कर रहा हूँ, तुम्हारे लिए मैंने कितना किया, पूरी जिंदगी दे दी, किसी ने कुछ नहीं किया.
सही कह रहे हो.
Accept this, that we're only doing for ourselves. At least we are going to be kind to ourselves. We are being unkind to other people. We are trying to blame them of our mistakes. Plus, we are not good to ourselves because we do not know that we are doing it for ourselves.
तो फिर जय रोना क्यों आता है?
See, रोना
क्यों है जब कोई चला जाता है?
आपका हिस्सा जाता है, आपका टुकड़ा जाता है.
तो बताइए कैसे जाता है?
आप किसी भी इंसान में, for example, right now, you are investing in me. You have an investment in me. If you spend 5 minutes with me, you've invested. Otherwise, you'll walk away. अभी हमें पता लगता है अमेरिका में 1 लाख लोग मरे, आप रोए उनके लिए?
नहीं,
क्योंकि आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं है उसमें, बिकॉज वो आपसे जुड़े नहीं है, आपका हिस्सा नहीं है. लेकिन आपके पड़ोस में कोई मरेगा, आपका हिस्सा हो जाएगा, क्योंकि आप उसमें रिफ्लेक्ट कर चुके हैं अपने आप को. आप अपने को मरता देखते हैं इसलिए रोते हैं किसी और के लिए. Nobody is interested, and this is the crux. We are not interested. The stories that we are telling again and again in cinema, the things that we are creating it for ourselves. And whatever we create with honesty becomes something. People start liking it.
तो तेरी बेस्ट मूवी कौन सी है जो तुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है, जिससे तू इंस्पायर हुआ था? What is it that inspired you to get into this? You say you're not the part of film industry, but you are. What inspired you? What was your journey to come till here?
My journey, I think it was an accident. I was thrown out of my native place. So I'll tell you my spiritual journey first.
Please.
Which is the first part is that when I was in, I was always interested in.
मैं तेरे को 1 मिनट रोक रही हूँ. पता guys, you all need to know, जब हम मिलते हैं ना दोनों तो ऐसे ही बात करते हैं. By the way, we will talk for hours like this, and then we don't.
We have to go off. So,
हाँ, so आप कैसे? How did you come into this? Sorry.
I was always interested in spirituality more than I was never interested in the industry at all. So once I found out that Mathura में कहीं एक जगह they're teaching Kundalini के बारे में. I told you about the story, I think. So I came down to Mathura from Agra. I belong to Agra, so Agra से 40 kilometers Mathura है. So I went and it was for 2,000 rupees. Some German girl was teaching about Kundalini. It was a day's course in the ashram. So I went in there, and I was the youngest. All the therapists like you, a lot of learned people, and I was in 12th standard, I think, 12th standard or first year maybe. So I went there. So the teacher looked at all of us. We were all given these gowns. We were made to sit, and I was sitting. And suddenly she started talking about the Kundalini. From Sahasrara, she went down to the Mooladhara Kundalini. And then she said, close your eyes, fold your legs. We all folded our legs, closed our eyes. And she said, now slowly move your balls. I was like, does she mean what she's saying? And looked around. Slowly, and you're going to feel a little dizzy.
सर ने बोला होगा ये तो बहुत अच्छी क्लास है. पहले तो जर्मन लेडी है, मेन खड़ी है. Now she's asking me to move my balls.
I looked around, and everybody was sitting in the meditative pose, and everybody was going, and everybody was enjoying. So I said, boss, पैसे तो मैंने भी दिए 2,000 रुपए. I have to enjoy myself. So I also folded my legs. I started and I tried, but nothing happened. And so after that, then she again opened her eyes and she said, slowly rotate them. So I turned and looked, and everybody was going, everybody was enjoying themselves. I tried again, and then I raised my hand and said, ma'am, I'm trying, but I can't roll the balls. She said, eyeballs. So that was that. That was the beginning of my spiritual journey.
2000 रुपए दिए भाई. उस टाइम में तो बहुत बड़ी बात थी 2000 रुपए.
And I'm talking about 94.
Yeah, 2000 was a big amount that time.
Everybody else is enjoying. Why could I not? But imagine, Anu, if I would have achieved that.
You wouldn't be here making the song.
I would be in Bangkok doing my own show.
Rotating your balls. Sorry, guys, this is all censored.
Anyway,
Huh.
this was
Yes.
my beginning of my spiritual journey. After that, what happened? I was a very, very rowdy guy in Agra. Come from a family which had quite an influence. In UP, you know that you have to be a little. Everybody is very aggressive, unnecessarily. Why they are aggressive, I have no idea. But they are all aggressive. They all have मेरे बाप को जानता है types. Everybody. So मैं भी था मेरे बाप को जानता है types. So finally, too many things happened, and my family kicked me out of Agra. They said, "You are not coming back to Agra." And that was in my second year of first year. I was kicked out of Agra. So I came to Mumbai because my brother was here and he was a cinematographer. So my brother was here. I came here for a holiday. And that's how I landed in this thing. And because he was into this industry, so I used to visit Film City. I met a few people there. Then I joined theater with Makarant and all those things. But I was never interested. I always wanted to go back. Always wanted to go back. Somehow, writing, I never had written a single word in my life. I was the worst student in my life. And now, once what happened, I was sitting at Prithvi. And this is a real incident. And suddenly I saw one boy sitting in a corner. And he looked at me, I looked at him. And at Prithvi, what happens is you have all these actors and you kind of know them. So कभी कभी होता है आपको याद नहीं आता, तो I looked at him and I said, यार कहीं देखा है मैं, होगा कोई television देखा होगा, कुछ देखा होगा. And I looked away. Later, one of my friend, Anurag Kashyap, was doing his first film called Panch. तो उसके premiere पे थे हम लोग Film City में. So I was getting out of the premiere, and वो जैसे उस premiere से बाहर निकल रहा था, तो I saw the same boy. And I recognized him. I said, his name was Chiku, and he was my old friend from school. So I said, Chiku, this is you. So I stopped my car. He was walking down, so I gave him a lift, and we were talking. So he said, yaar, मैं कल वहाँ पर पृथ्वी पे I saw you. And I asked somebody that, who's that boy? So they said that that's Jayvarma, that's a writer. So I said, ये नहीं हो सकता. Then I looked away. So in fact, I didn't believe that I was, and when he said I believed him, I said, yes, you're right. So for me, still I forget the spelling of is. Okay. S के आगे I लगता है कि S के पीछे I लगता है. But what I realized
Thank you for sharing that. People need to know from nothing again you created everything.
So I'm saying, no, I did not create anything. Trust me. Okay. Trust me, I am only watching things are happening. The day I decide to create anything, I only create mess. That's all I have created in my life. Rest is all happened to me. I have not created anything. And the more things are happening, the more I'm realizing I am not capable of doing this. And every day I keep repeating it to myself, and all I can say is surrender. That's all I can say. I am only an obstacle and nothing more. The more I am, the more I'm creating obstacle and the more mess I'm creating. The less I am, the more beautiful things are happening. That's what I have learned in my journey. Earlier when I was writing, I used to write thinking आज मैं बहुत ही कमाल की कोई चीज लिखूंगा और I would create. Now what I do is I do a Saraswati mantra and a surrender. That's all I do. And honestly, for whatever I'm talking right now, to whatever will happen tomorrow, I am not responsible. I'm not even, plus I'm not even guilty of if something goes wrong. The moment I am present, I'm guilty of everything that is happening. And this has happened, this is difficult. At times you become, your egos come into play. But the more I can stay out of it, the better things happen. That I've realized. And this is only learning that I have. That I am a nobody. I do not know things. All I think is, if कोई नई चीज दिखती है, okay, red color. Oh, this is called red. That's my understanding and I enjoy it. That's all.
Anu, can I ask him something?
Go ahead.
Absolutely, but you have to pay.
We'll see. That we'll see.
You have to tell him to move his balls.
No.
I've seen the two of those moving good enough. I'm okay with it.
Which balls?
I know which ball. That was too much. Okay.
Achna question, Saval.
Yeah. See, Jay, what you are just mentioning about that I surrender and I write, that is verbatim, that is coming from Gita, which I am able to understand.
Hmm.
But again, I want to ask you, has this started abhi in the lockdown or has it been there before?
No,
It's been there for quite some time.
this has been I've been seeking for a long time. In fact, when I joined, me and Anu have done certain
Hypnotherapy together. Yeah.
Okay.
hypnosis and all those things. This has
Okay.
been happening for a long time. In fact, when I was in school also, my favorite place was there's a Shamshan Ghat behind Taj Mahal.
Yeah,
Spend a lot of
I
time
know of that. Yeah.
and वहाँ प्याज के पकौड़े मिलते थे and I used to enjoy myself a lot there. In fact, there was recently I was remembering and I was sitting with a few classmates of mine. एक बार मैं and I was always interested in these aghoris, so उनको एक शराब की बोतल दो and they will tell you stories. So I went to this.
Okay, can you tell people who are Aghoris because not everybody knows about it. पहले बता दे.
So aghoris, 99% are all frauds. But Aghorpan is a very, very beautiful sect, which is Ghor means darkness. Ghor means thick darkness. Aghor means through that thick darkness, the light. Okay. So this art is this complete Aghori. This thing is people think that people, when they find these people in the Shamshan Ghat eating, and they've heard of them eating human flesh,
Yes.
making out with the corpse and all those things. That's what the myths are about, which is true. But that's a lesson. Like we in medical profession, we learn about how to cut a body, how to do this thing. So it's about breaking conditioning. So Aghor is about everything, antithesis of everything that we do. It's completely anti of what we do. So we live in a house, they live in a shamshan. We eat normal food, they would eat something because they believe everything is God. So that's what they. Anyways, I'm not getting into that. This is a sect which mostly are trained in a Shamshan Ghat because they need to understand that there's life beyond it. So that's what they work towards. But 99% of these people are lost souls. They're more into rituals rather than they all want to do black magic. That's why they're there. But a few who are there are very, very powerful and they understand because their entire understanding is that's why they're trained in a Shamshan is that there's something beyond it also. Shamshan is not the end. And everybody has to cross through this. So that's how they're trained there. But anyway, so in all the past life therapies that I have done or gone through, I've always kind of got stuck with some Aghori experience that I've had in the past. So, which I have. Were you there in that class, Anu? When I asked this guy that I am writing a story on Aghori, so maybe I'm imagining things. Yeah. So, so
right in front of me, you were sitting down, and Yuvraj was working on you.
Yes, Yuvraj was working.
And this whole thing was going on, and that's when I noticed you for the first time because you were sitting in one corner. There were like 4 women around you, and then there was this big man around you. So it was very interesting for me to watch it. ये पड़ा हुआ ऐसे आराम से आपने जो करना है कर लो मेरे साथ. Like you can move my balls. I don't have to do anything.
But I was not telling it to Yuvraj. I was telling it to the 4 women.
Yuvraj, yeah, of course. And he was there. And ऐसे क्या राजशाही ठाठ है इस आदमी के आराम से बैठा हुआ है पड़ा हुआ है. And you said at that time, I think maybe I'm working on, and you were working on some project and wanting to make a movie on them or something like that.
I was writing a script. Huh?
Yeah. So that was the time, yeah.
So that's also my entire understanding. What was I missed out on the question? I get suddenly drawn towards
So
this.
I just wanted to know, like the concept that you were sharing is I mentioned from the Gita, as you mentioned. So I was just wanting to know कि ये अभी है. So you were telling me कि when you started on this path.
Yeah. So in school times, so once I was sitting with this one fake Aghori that told me that I'm going to tell you a story. So उसके लिए मैं एक quarter खरीद के लेकर गया और उसने मेरे पास आराम से बैठा, अंदर ले गया शमशान घाट के अंदर, and he was sitting and he was having अपने स्टील के ग्लास में डाल के he was having his liquor and I was sitting and talking to him and suddenly I noticed ना अपनी बीड़ी जलाई नीचे जाके, अरे कुछ है नीचे. So I saw a human hand burning. So we're sitting on a chitta. I suddenly realized where am I sitting, and I was in 11th standard. So I looked around and then I saw a human head burning behind me. So this was my first experience of this thing, but somehow I didn't get scared. As a child, how old I was, 15, 16 at that time. And I still was so fascinated with that world since beginning. And as far as you're talking about Gita, it's not Gita, it's Tantra, it's everything that says surrender. Gita still, because Gita was answered to Arjun. So because of, see, an answer could be as potent as the person who's questioning it. So Arjun was a Kshatriya, Krishna was answering him. So the answer has to be good enough for him. So if he's answering to a 10th class student or a PhD student, the same Gita is going to be explained differently. So I am a bigger fan of, this is the second time I'm going through Ashtavakra. So I am a bigger fan of Ashtavakra because where Gita ends, Ashtavakra begins in the beginning, saying that Moksha chahiye, abhi chahiye, you want it right now? Take it. This is the beginning. That's how he starts.
Yeah, that's exactly how Ashtavakra starts.
So that's how he starts. So it didn't start like that. But what happened was when some 14 years back, I was once very unhappy about things. I'm never unhappy. I'm never unhappy as in money doesn't excite me or make me unhappy or so I was never commercially or this way unhappy or happy. What was happening was somewhere down the line, something was amiss. So one morning, and I was alone in the same house. I newly bought this house. So I was in this house and a friend of mine who's my friend who goes to all the temples with me. Whenever I have this craving, he's a friend who would go to all the temples with me. His name is Kashyap, Amrish Kashyap. So he was staying over that night. So in the morning at around 3 o'clock, I woke him up. I said, "Yeah, I'm feeling very uneasy. Let's go to some temple." So he said, "Okay, I'll take a shower." So I also took a shower. He also took a shower. And by 4 o'clock, we went out. And on a street, I saw a Shiv temple. In the middle of a street, पेड़ के नीचे जैसे छोटे से शिव मंदिर होते हैं. So there's this colony called Evershine Nagar, very close to our house. So I saw this little temple on the street. So वहाँ पर मैं पहुँचा तो वहाँ पर एक दूध का पैकेट जो सुबह सुबह होता है वो दूध का पैकेट वाला भी था. कोई एक आदमी होगा उस मंदिर के पास. I took that and I was so uneasy inside me that I took that milk packet, I डाला and I said, I need a guru. मुझे कोई मिल नहीं रहा. Please आप मेरे गुरु बन जाओ. And I sat there. Literally tears came to my eyes like last time वो अघोरी वाली session में, if you remember, suddenly वो जो आया था. And I started literally the tears went on to for almost like howling. And 2-4 minutes बाद the man from behind came and said कि boss थोड़ा सा side हो गए, because that was Guru Purnima and I made Shiva my Guru. And that very evening the first book of Osho came to me. Somebody gifted me a book and all the answers that I was looking for were there. And after that, I've been finding various books or some lectures or this thing, and it's almost like the universe is talking to me and telling me, giving me, if I have a question, I'll put it tonight and by tomorrow I'll get an answer. If I honestly put it, not as a challenge to the universe that answer dekhe dekho. But if I honestly put in question, I will find that answer somehow. So I realized that there is a language you can talk, there is a communication which is happening between you and the world or the universe. So the moment I become over smart and I start interacting, I start becoming very clever about or cunning about the entire thing, the answers stop coming. The moment you become the more innocent and unknown about the entire thing, the answers keep coming. So this has happened for almost like this complete changeover happened after for some 14, 15 years. And that was the time after that I joined hypnosis to understand it. Then I traveled around India finding aghoris or finding these mysterious temples. Then I started working on it. Tantra I've been working for many, many years now. Now I'm working on human mind for almost like 14 years since, and I've been working on human mind, various layers of human mind, and this is Eastern understanding of human mind. Western understanding is the Freuds of the world or other people of the world. Because one more connection that really pushed me, Anu, was Nietzsche to Freud to all this thing, they're all talking about human suffering. And they're all talking about how the best that we can find is the optimum level of this thing is desire. So like Nietzsche says that. So, but on the other hand, Buddha, Mahavir, they're all talking about Anand, Paramanand. I was a little confused. I said, these guys are talking about we suffer. Mind is the limitation of all those things. And while nobody from a Buddha to everybody is talking about Anand and Paramanand and Nityanand, and you talk about Anand and different various adjectives to it. So then I realized what our books were talking about were beyond mind, and what their books were talking about was within the limitations of mind. So their gap was, and our mind is nothing but our memory.
Wow.
So I'm writing a book on this. Mind is nothing but our memory. Different patterns of our memory is what our mind is.
Wonderful. I just want to tell you, Jay, it's 11:32, and I do have Binaifa waiting for you to do beautiful. It's called Kauris, and she does something amazing. So she will be picking up, since you've created such beautiful ambience today. You've spoken on such beautiful stuff today. We would like to return back some energy to you with what you've given to us. So, Binaifa, could you be there online, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And then we can continue talking because Binaifa has 2 small babies and she has to go back to them. So, Binaifa.
A long session already.
We've had longer sessions. That's not a problem at all. Just
hi.
Binaifa.
Lovely session. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So I'll just show you the Kauri chart.
Yeah.
So this is the Kauri chart, and these are the shells. So we do predictions by casting the Kauris on the chart, and each circle means something, and each drawing means something. Each image means something, and these images were channeled by me, and that's how we get the meaning.
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah, and she teaches it, by the way, if anybody wants to learn.
Brilliant.
So, do you have a question, or should I just cast the Kauris?
You asking me?
Yes.
Yeah.
सवाल है क्या?
सवाल तो बहुत सारे हैं.
एक ही पूछ ले बस. एक से शुरू करते हैं.
नहीं, actually नहीं है. I'm good. Somebody else. हाँ, I'm good.
कमाल हो गई. सब सवालों को इकट्ठा इसने डाल के बोल दिया तुझे, तू ही सवाल बन जा, तू ही जवाब बन जा.
अरे क्या बात है, शायराना हो रही है आप.
होता है कभी कभी.
So for you, I have got a beautiful spiritual journey is going to start for you, and it's going to take you to deeper insights about a lot of things than what you have ever experienced before. A family life is going to improve. There have been a lot of messages coming to you about family, about how to do a lot of things with them and for them. So take those messages and work ahead with it. If you've had any issues with extended families, then those will also start resolving slowly and steadily. And yeah, you are a very intuitive person, and if you are searching for somebody to guide you in the right direction, then that is also going to happen very soon.
I think that was the question. You already got the question. Yes.
Yeah. So in say around 3 to 6 months roughly, it's going to, like, the knowledge is going to really start flowing.
Oh, brilliant. Thank you so much. Can I see that again, the board with the body?
Yeah. Can you see it?
Yes. Brilliant.
Wonderful. अभी आज एक अजीब सा सवाल.
हाँ.
ठीक है, Binaifa?
Yes.
What is the connection between me and him? नहीं ऐसे कनेक्शन नहीं, पर हम लोग
देखा
मिलते
बहुत बड़ी कनेक्शन था. You were right above me. नीचे उल्लू ऊपर बिल्ली.
तू उल्लू मैं बिल्ली.
हाँ.
Now I know मैं हंस सकती हूँ. I don't have to be serious with you. इंटेलेक्चुअल लग लग के ऐसे लगेगा बड़ा एक ब्रेन और क्रिएट हो गया, नहीं तो. इज़हार खान जी, आपको just give me a minute, I will ask you to ask the question.
So you guys
You guys. The Billy.
you guys have a karmic connection
What is
because yeah, you have a karmic
Return my
connection.
money or not?
Sorry.
Will she return my money or not?
Yeah,
The karmic.
बाकी रुपया बारह आना.
actually, it has one of the cowries which has a lot of intuitiveness and which has a lot of working with self has fallen on the money part. So maybe you guys can work together and
I know
create
you have to return my
some
money. Last जन्म में जो लिया था.
मुझे याद नहीं है इस जन्म का. पिछले जन्म की बातें कर रहा है तू. वो क्या होता है? What is that? Thank
no,
you.
there is definitely a connect between the two of y'all, and yeah, it will get deeper, the connect. And there's a possibility that there were family issues also because I did like sort of a past life spread, so it's also there. Maybe some family issues happened, but you all were connected through a lot of spirituality. Basically, that is what held you together, and that is what has brought you together again in this lifetime.
Anu, last time you created a lot of mess. This time don't. Okay.
ठीक है. Done. Mr. इज़हार खान, आप अपना हाथ नीचे कर लें और म्यूट ओपन करके बात करें.
ओके जय सर, दिस इज एक्चुअली नॉट अ सवाल. एक वो होता है ना सर कि अभी हम लोग इतने टाइम से सुन रहे हैं सब स्पीकर्स को. वो एक ऐड आपने देखा होगा सर, गाड़ी में मैट पेंट लगाना चाहते हो, जैसे कुछ किया भी है बट कुछ किया भी नहीं है. तो सर हम लोग ने आपको ऐसे सुना तो ऐसा लगा भी नहीं कि वो ऑथेंटिक स्पिरिचुअल स्पीकर्स है ऐसे, और आपकी वो जो मैसेजेस है वो इतने क्लियरली आ गई कि लाइक वेरी प्रैक्टिकल पर्सन. दो बात जो सर आपने बोला, एक जो मेरा वाला, व्हेन इट इज रिलेटेड टू मेरा, so it made a lot of sense. And second you said is when the society appreciates you, you feel this is right. So I don't know, ये दो चीजें सर बहुत ज्यादा it hit me very well. और फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का सर एक सवाल है कि if you can just tell us that who is like.
I'm sorry, I missed. मैं इससे पहले आवाज कुछ क्लियर नहीं आई.
Okay.
Yeah, please.
अभी आ रही है सर?
आवाज बंद करो.
अभी आ रही है सर?
हाँ प्लीज बताएंगे. सॉरी.
ओके सर, मैंने कहा कि जो एक ऐड आती है ना उसमें वो लेडी बोलती है कि वो मैट लुक है कि कुछ किया भी है बट कुछ किया भी नहीं है. सो वी बीन हियरिंग ऑल द स्पीकर्स एंड ऑल दैट. तो मतलब जब आपको ऐसे सुना तो ऐसा लगा भी नहीं सर कि वो स्पिरिचुअल वाली बात है, बट द वर्ड्स दैट यू स्पोक दोस वर वेरी प्रैक्टिकल, कमिंग फ्रॉम अ वेरी लाइक ऐसा लगा कि हमारे में से कोई बात कर रहा है. एंड द टू थिंग्स दैट यू सेड, वन वाज द मेरा वाला थिंग, whenever it is related to मेरा. So that, and when you said when the society appreciates you, you feel this is right. So those two things are very very good and take away. Mind वाला थोड़ा सा समझने में शायद मुझे time लगेगा because I'm not to that
Mind
level.
वाला कौन सा?
What you said in the last that you're writing a book, that mind is nothing but
Memory. अच्छा.
And so one last thing is because we know the film industry from the external world, who is actually like the most humble person in the film industry. My favorite is Salman Khan, so not related to anyone, but in general, the people whom you.
Salman I know personally also. Me and Atul Agnihotri were partners earlier, so we used to do a lot of ad films together. I've worked with Salman. I know the family को भी काफी अच्छी तरह जानते हैं. They are very very nice people. In fact, the best person in the family is not Salman, but Salman's mother. Salma auntie is the best. मतलब she's a gem of a person. I think थोड़ी बहुत qualities सब में spread हुई हैं उनसे. And I think she is जो पूरी फैमिली है उनकी वजह से है. और इतनी खूबसूरत फैमिली है. I spend a lot of time at Atul's farm. In fact, there's a Shiv temple there, जिसमें I have part, मतलब हम लोगों ने साथ मिलके बनवाया था वो, मतलब साथ मिलके I was there जब वो कंस्ट्रक्ट हो रहा था, चीजें हो रही थी, उसकी शिलान्यास से लेकर सारी चीजें. So I've seen the family very closely, and I think you're right. They're very very humble, very very nice. But right now, जैसे all the other actors also that I know, कहीं ना सी इस इंडस्ट्री में एक इनसिक्योरिटी बहुत ज़्यादा आ जाती है. वो इनसिक्योरिटी की वजह से आदमी ना चाहते हुए भी, जैसे हम उसकी बात कर रहे थे कि मेरा, उसमें ना वो दे स्टार्ट फीडिंग ऑन अदर पीपल्स अटेंशन, और वो जहाँ कम ज़्यादा होती है वहाँ पर दे स्टार्ट रिफ्लेक्टिंग डिफरेंटली. अदरवाइज अब मेरे को तो आज तक कोई ऐसा आदमी नहीं मिला जो बुरा हो. सभी उतने हम्बल हैं कहीं ना कहीं, लेकिन वो सिर्फ शो ऑफ्स में निकल जाती हैं चीज़ें, और वो दूसरे को प्रिटेंड और दूसरे को कंट्रोल करने के लिए थोड़ा हो जाता है. बट कहीं ना वो हर आदमी किसी ना किसी के साथ बहुत अच्छा है, किसी ना किसी के साथ बहुत बुरा है, और किसी ना किसी के साथ बहुत अच्छा है. And I have not, in all the times that I've seen, except a few people who are not creative, who are business people and who try to take other people's credit and other people's creative work को खाना चाहते हैं, उसके अलावा मेरे को नहीं लगता कोई भी आप creative आदमी से मिलोगे ना, are very very nice. But as you rightly said, Salman and especially Salman's family is a very very nice this thing, very humble, very down to earth, very helpful, especially the mother, and I respect them a lot for that. So
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it.
please don't call me sir यार, वो थोड़ा सा ना वो एक distance आ जाता है, तो इसलिए.
Very good. Anybody else has a question? नहीं तो बिनाइफर को बोलते हैं सबके लिए. Let's connect. Yes, Praveen, Pari, please go ahead with the question.
Yes. So, Jay, when you're saying that, whenever you put question, you get the answer. So the same thing always happens with me also. Now, while choosing the name Zest for my own thing, I just was thinking, and I slept. I don't know when, and in my dreams, I got the name Zest. And that I was not even I was not even aware about the meaning. And similar way, when in this current lockdown situation, when it initially started in the March end, I was actually stressed out because somewhere or the other 2009 and 10 was coming back again and again in my mind. And next day I again got a dream that everything is going to be fine, you don't have to worry. And I was calm and composed post that. So somewhere or the other, as I always say, universe take care of it, the universe also gives you the answers.
But मैं एक चीज मुझे लगता है हम ना सारी चीजों को बड़ी सीरियसली लेते हैं. हमारे करने नहीं करने से हमारे कोई हम में से पैदा अपनी मर्जी से तो हुआ नहीं है.
Agree.
मरने नहीं वाला. तो छोड़ो, अपना ब्लड प्रेशर हम कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते. अपनी सांसें अगर 10 मिनट के लिए हमें पता लग जाए, अगर हमें करने के लिए दे जाए और किसी की लॉटरी निकल जाए, 10 मिनट के लिए हम भूल जाएं सांस लेना, है ना. तो इसलिए ऊपर वाले ने इतनी भी हमारे को जिम्मेदारी नहीं दी कि तुम सांस भी खुद कंट्रोल कर लो, वो भी वो कंट्रोल करता है.
Agree.
बातें हम इतनी सीरियसली लेते हैं जैसे सब कुछ हम ही कर रहे हैं और हमारी चीजें.
That's true. Okay, if you don't mind, can I ask you in Agra which school you have studied?
Agra, I was in St. George's School.
I'm sorry. They didn't tell you to shake anything there, did they?
Huh? No.
I'm so sorry. Which school you were there?
St. George's.
Okay, St. George's. Okay. No, because I was in St. Patrick, so I thought maybe you must be from St. Peter.
St. Peter's and St. Patrick were, yes.
Yeah, together, yeah.
Yeah. So the friend that I was talking about earlier who shot the video was from St. Peter's.
Okay.
Sahil Kazdar, he was the head boy there.
Okay, that I don't know because it was never only during 15th August and 26th Jan ka parade practice ka we were allowed to go, enter. Otherwise, we were never allowed.
All girls school अगर परेड वरेड के लिए जा रहे हैं वहां पर, all boys school में, तो आप सोच सकते हो पूरी साल से इसी 2 दिन का वेट करने में निकल जाता होगा.
And that is also not planned by you.
That is also not planned by you.
Shamla, you wanted to ask a question? Shamla?
No. Yes. No. Yeah. Hi, Anu. How are you?
Hi, सवाल क्या है?
सवाल नहीं है, just a sharing. Hi Jay, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Okay, so basically, I just got nostalgic when you spoke about the film industry. Well, Madhuri Dixit, she was from my batch. I mean, like, she was in the BSc, and I was in BA in Parle College, which is now known as Sati College. So that was there. And secondly, when you spoke about Yuvraj, again I got nostalgia because I did my clinical hypnotherapy with him, and it was wonderful. Whatever that you spoke, it was awesome, awesome. I mean, like, too good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the insights.
Oh,
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
I was just casually talking, but thank you so much.
Pardon?
Anybody else for a
Yeah,
question?
thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that sharing. Anybody else for a question before I can ask Binayfa to do Cowdies for the whole group?
Jason, not a question, just I don't know,
Yes,
logic,
Mr.
not
Khan.
logic.
Mr. Khan,
But,
अपनी
sir,
शक्ल तो दिखा दो.
नहीं अभी नहीं, अभी क्योंकि मैं घर में थोड़ा
आज
सब
तो
काम वाम
तैयार
कर
नहीं
रहा था
हुआ.
and all that, it's all
आज तो तैयार
पसीना
नहीं
and all
हुआ.
that, so कल इंशाल्लाह.
अच्छा ठीक है.
So Jay, when you started the conversation and twice Anuji was not there and you were like, Anu, are you there? Anu, are you there? So we saw that, you know, आप थोड़े से ऐसा, I would say, like not there types ऐसा हो गए थे थोड़े.
नहीं, वो उसके मैं आपको बताऊं. See, when I
sorry to ask you this, but just
no, good you asked me that, because इसमें क्या है कि my profession is to tell stories. Okay, so when I go to a channel, when I describe how a show should be created or the story of a show, so अब imagine करिए मैं एक हवा में महल बना रहा हूँ. महल के पिलर्स इतने होंगे, ये कलर होगा, वो सब हवा में, किसी ने कुछ देख नहीं रहे. अब I have to make them believe that ये जो महल है उसमें आप करोड़ों रुपए लगा रहे हैं, और उस करोड़ों रुपए लगा के उसमें मतलब आपकी उनकी होर्डिंग्स ही 4-5 करोड़ रुपए की लग जाती हैं, चीजें होती हैं. When you're describing a film, it's only in your head. So now you have to have the reaction of the other person कि उसको समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, नहीं कह रहा हूँ. So this has become my habit to get the feedback from people who are listening to me. So उसमें क्या होता है, when we are telling a story, if the person in front is not interacting with you, then it becomes a little like somewhere down the line you are lost because you are getting the feedback from the person. So it's become my habit. So that's why the moment Anu was not there. Plus, if you're saying something and somebody is not listening, then because that's what my profession is. तो मैं एक रुपए भी खर्च नहीं करने वाला, फिर एक वर्ड भी खर्च नहीं करने वाला अगर कोई सुन.
चलो आज मुझे भाव मालूम पड़ गया. तूने काफी लफ्ज किए हैं, इसका मतलब I'm worth it. Okay, Binayfa, jokes apart, Seema ji, please ask the question. हाँ जी.
अच्छा Binayfa, I want to ask you something. Jokes apart. ये कभी कौड़ी फेंकी और उसमें कोई जोक आया, कोई मैसेज आया?
No. Never.
कौड़ी पड़ी और उसमें लिखा 2 सरदार जा रहे थे, ऐसा कुछ आ गया तो?
क्या?
आगे 2 सरदार जा रहे थे, फिर आप मतलब
वो पहले चार्ट में क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा ना 2 सरदार.
No. Acha, I wanted to share with you that even I've done a small role in a film and I've done a couple of ads. I have done 2 serials, but this was all like years ago. Brilliant. But the last I did was when I was 9 months pregnant and Colgate approached me for an ad. So both my kids are there, younger one in my tummy and elder one next to me. And my picture had come on the Colgate boxes. And I wasn't even aware of it till my friend clicked it in a mall and sent it to me that your pictures are there on the Colgate box. It was really funny.
Last में इसी सेशन पे एंड होगा, Colgate के पैकेट से एंड होना चाहिए. This session.
Binayfa, आपके खूबसूरत दांतों का राज पता चल गया है.
Binayfa, ये कौन से ईयर की बात है?
Colgate I did in 2009.
Oh my God, that is why you have a lovely smile, yeah.
Thank you. I did an ad, in fact, with Madhuri Dixit also, but they didn't air our part on it. I did one with Hrithik Roshan that was aired. I did Joy Alucard. So that's still there on YouTube.
I think that
Oh, just send the link, Bilaifer.
answer questions about the film industry. Let me throw the coddies now. So
चलिए सीमा जी सवाल पूछिए.
Yeah, like
yeah,
Mr. Jay said, na, ki memory is the brain is the memory. So I just want to continue. Just let me know if I'm right or wrong. So memory is all with feelings. Then that is why it's memory. Otherwise, अगर memory में feelings ना होती, तो brain में कैसे होता memory?
लेकिन आप कोई भी चीज जो आपको महसूस हुई है उसमें फीलिंग्स तो होंगी. कोई भी चीज मतलब बैकग्राउंड में भी कुछ हुआ, इट्स अफेक्टिंग योर लिविंग समवेयर. फॉर एग्जांपल द पेंटिंग एट द बैक इज आल्सो अफेक्टिंग द लिविंग somewhere down the line, right? So वो कहीं ना कहीं subtle level पे वो emotion तो आएगा ही आएगा. Without an emotion you are not, because you're vibrating right now. So every memory is vibrating but what we consider as memory is with the intense emotions only. But that doesn't mean the very subtle lighter emotions have been thrown away. So जब हम past life में भी जा रहे होते हैं तब भी हम लोग उन्हीं memories को touch करते हैं जो कि सबसे ज़्यादा intense memories होती हैं. But otherwise, if you look at it from the cellular memory to the body, for example, right now you have maybe your lips or maybe your hand, your skin. You don't know, but this memory is maybe of your family ancestors. You don't know about this memory anymore. But all the your body structure, your this thing is your body remembers that वो memory कहाँ की है. So the entire mind, in fact, not mind and body is not separate. It's one thing according to what I'm studying or I'm researching right now. And उसमें भी memory is you, the entire existence of you, not just mind, but the entire existence of you is nothing but memories and layers and layers and layers and layers of memories. The few that we deal with because we only understand those feelings is what we call, because हमारे structure में हमारे box में वो fit होती हैं, इसलिए हम उन्हीं को emotions मानते हैं. बल्कि everything from the birth to eating to touching to experiencing water, everything has got certain kind of an emotion which we, because we are so busy with everything else, thanks to this lockdown that we are trying to introspect, but we are so busy with everything else that I think हम लोग miss कर जाते हैं उन चीजों को. But according to where I am and the more I'm meditating on it, the more I'm trying to understand it, every subtle aspect of it is just memory and memory. Different kinds of it, from body to your body nails to your hair to even the taste buds, the things that you taste, the things that you like or dislike. Everything is just memory. So आप उसको देखो और कहीं से आपका अपना इसमें कुछ से नहीं है. ज्योत्सना, आपका अपना इसमें कहीं से नहीं. But anyways, this is my understanding. I'm still trying to understand and I'm still trying to put it together. But the more I'm understanding, the more I'm realizing that beta darwaza band kar. So I may be wrong. I'm not completed my entire this thing.
Yeah. No, but then again, this again linked to what you like and what you don't like. What suits you, what doesn't suit you, you know?
But that's only that you're putting a pattern or you're putting a certain kind of memory on one side and you're rejecting certain kind of memory that is not the liking of you. Doesn't fall into your liking.
Liking, so right.
The emotions that you're talking about are the emotions that you are connected to more, according to your story. If you look at it, you can try and think of, for example, I keep asking my friends or people to try and think of a woman with 3 eyes. They immediately feel grossed out. Why? If 2 eyes could be beautiful, why can't 3 eyes be beautiful? Because whatever we have seen in the past, if anything beyond that comes, we get grossed out of it. So our memory is to tell us what is beautiful and what is not beautiful. Our memory is trying to tell us. कोई भी नई चीज हम इसलिए आसानी से accept नहीं करते because our patterns of memories are not aligned. And we have categorized. We have very simply categorized one side to one corner, the other side to the other corner. ये पसंद है हमें, ये नापसंद है. और again नापसंद पसंद कहाँ से आती है? Because with the kind of conditioning and the people around us. And वो लोग कहाँ से आते हैं जो आपके आसपास है? वो लोग भी आते हैं आपके. Now we all have done regression. We have all done past lives. We understand that they all come from our karmic connections from the past. So it's repetition of the same memory, and that's what is samsara, which is again the repetition of the same thing. again, anyways, I'm still till the time, because it's so subtle and it goes, the more deeper you go, it becomes, the memories become so subtle that from like Buddha has experienced himself as amoeba. That was the first description of amoeba in our books. When he went into his past life, he finally realized that he was an amoeba. So then the memories were coming from that point. That's why if you look at faces, and I love reading people's face. You look at people's face and you can imagine, acha, this person looks like a cow. This person looks like a, and there are faces.
जय जरा एक दो लोगों के फेस पढ़ दे, नहीं तो तू बोलेगा ये मंकी,
No, but look at it, and there are species that I'm working on species, how species, and for example reptilian species है पूरी की पूरी. अभी हमारी कंट्री में अगर जैसे सिंपली देखा जाए तो नागालैंड है क्यों? नागालैंड के साइड में मणिपुर क्यों है? Have you ever wondered चाइनीज के आंखों के ऊपर 2 झिल्लियां क्यों हैं? Have you ever wondered वो वेजिटेरियन क्यों नहीं खा पाते? So we have grown and we have evolved out of these species only. जैसे she said, अभी थोड़ी देर पहले अवतारों की बात हुई थी, तो अवतार we've kind of evolved through that. We may not realize it right now because we're so busy with our share markets and हमारे credit card का payment हुआ नहीं हुआ. But somewhere down the line we are, and the more we'll study, the more we'll figure out. It's not studying outside, it's studying within. That's why all the stars, everything, it's so connected, and the species, the way the species, and I was recently working on Indian mythology, and the way the stories are all falling in place with the species, the kind of species that we have, the kind of why different people use this language, why different people eat this much. What is Hinduism? I was recently on an RSS lecture. I was giving a lecture there. So उसमें वो था, उनको खुद ही नहीं पता कि हिंदुइज्म क्या है, कि हिंदुत्व क्या है, कि चीजें क्या हैं, because again it has become very political. But why not? For example, हिंदुत्व क्या है? You are, इंडिया में मोर होता है, किसी और कंट्री में क्यों नहीं होता? यहाँ पे कोबरा होता है, अफ्रीका में कोबरा क्यों नहीं होता? वहां पे ब्लैक मैम्बो होता है, कोबरा क्यों नहीं पैदा होता वहां पे? और ब्लैक मैम्बो भी उतना ही खतरनाक जहर फैलाता है जितना कोबरा फैलाता है, बट केमिकल दोनों की कॉम्बिनेशंस आर डिफरेंट. The people, the way why they attack is different. How people die is different. Why is a kangaroo not born in India and a donkey not born in Australia? Because the land, the water, the air is creating certain things here which they are not creating anywhere else. We have 400 kinds of mangoes. No other country has those mangoes. Similarly, we have humans. Humans are not different from plants and trees and animals. So that humans that we are creating on this land, with this water, with the combination of this water and mud and the sun falling, that thing is called the tattva of Hindu Kush. That's why it's Hindutva. It's Hindu tattva. So that element of this land, element of this geography is creating that human being. And that's why we are not anybody else but this. And it has nothing to do with religion. Everything born on this land is going to be a Hindu tattva, will have a Hindu tattva. But what they are making, or what anybody else is making it political. You can have any belief system. You can be a Christian, you could be a Muslim, you could be a Jain, but the tattva is the element of the geography. The tattva. So right now also the memories that we're talking about, why we are like this, why we taste like this, why we enjoy this kind of taste, this kind of music is created here, is because of the land, the mud, the kind of air that we breathe, the kind of waters that we drink, and what we learned out of the entire world. If we compare it with the entire world, and that's why again I'm talking about memory. The only thing that India is different from any other country is because we learned Shraddha. We understood the art of bowing down. What happens when we bow down? Whether it is a rock or is a donkey or it's a snake, what happens when we bow down? It's not about what we are praying to. What happens to us when we pray is, the first thing that happens to us is we become feminine. When we bend our heads, we become feminine. We start receiving. What is feminine? If you look at a female body and a male body, female body is a body to receive. A male body is a body to penetrate. The moment you become feminine, you start receiving things. And when you start receiving things, that's the only art that India has given. गुरु हो उसके सामने सर झुका दो, मूर्ति हो उसके सामने, पत्थर हो उसके सामने सर झुका दो, पेड़ हो उसके सामने सर झुका दो. The moment आप सर झुकाओगे, you will start receiving from it. And that receiving, the art, one is the art of ego. Start exploiting it, what the world is doing, the West is doing completely, exploiting things. The other art is calling everybody ma. They say cow, गाय को क्यों काट, गाय को माँ क्यों बोलते हैं? What they realize in India, what they realize is माँ बोलते ही आदमी चेंज हो जाता है. जिसको माँ बोल दो वो उसके अंदर एक अजीब सा ऐसा पावर आ जाता है कि इम्यून सिस्टम बढ़ जाता है. वो दूध पिलाएगी तो उसका इम्यून सिस्टम ऐसा हो जाएगा कि if a sick child will get cured. पानी को माँ बोल दो, the texture of the water changes. Land को माँ बोल दो, उसका texture. So they realize the art that if you respect something, that nature respects you double, that protects you. So they understood the art of ma. It was not about the cow. It was about everything. We call rivers ma, we call the land ma, we call trees ma, we call everything mother. Why? Because
can I say something?
I just need to get you guys to understand.
Sorry.
It's almost 12 o'clock
12, हाँ.
and I do need to Binayfer to sorry, I'm
ये एक बहुत प्यारी बात जो आप बोल रहे हो ना इस पे कि आप अगर जैसे because you read so much, you would know even for a male, any male to receive spirituality or any kind of this knowledge, उसको अपने स्त्री तत्व में आना ही पड़ेगा. You have to come down, bow down to the exact knowledge of femininity to receive even that knowledge. एक पुरुष तत्व को अपना वो तत्व छोड़कर स्त्री तत्व में ही आना है, तभी वो कुछ भी रिसीव कर सकता है.
Exactly.
Only and only then.
That's why I will just add one more thing, that India was looted by so many countries,
exactly.
So many people, but they could not convert the entire India because it was the only country in the world which was feminine.
Yes.
It could be raped, but it could not be converted.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Understand the difference. Every other country, because it was male and male,
yes,
they were all converted except India. They took away portions, they took away this thing, but they could not convert. Why? Because it is not about religion.
No, it's not.
It was about being the feminine side.
Yes.
Of the
Always.
This is the work.
Even today, the way we are sustaining everything is because of that Shakti that is there in us.
Exactly. And one more thing. People say it's a man's world, and I think they are the biggest idiots who are saying that it's a man's world, because you cannot create a painting. Painting cannot be bigger than a painter. So a woman is creating a man. How can a man be bigger than a woman? She can create 10 men. Can a man create one woman?
No, absolutely not. Absolutely.
There is no way.
मजा आ गया. मतलब तू मुझे क्रिएट नहीं कर सकता.
अनु, ये पूरी रात चल सकता है, पता है सच्ची में. अभी आपने याद दिलाया 12 बज गए.
हाँ, मतलब सरदार जी के 12 बज गए. मैंने नहीं कर सकता.
क्या नहीं कर सकता? मैं मिस कर रहा हूँ. क्या?
वो तेरे बस की नहीं है, इसलिए तू मिस कर रहा है.
अरे मैं मानता हूँ भाई, मैं मानता हूँ. इतनी सारी महानुभाव बैठे हो वहां पर, मैं
अनुभव
क्या मिस करो, फिर बता दो.
तेरी अल्फाज को तेरे ही लफ्जों में कहती हूँ कि तू मुझे क्रिएट नहीं कर सकता.
बिल्कुल नहीं कर सकता.
तो हंसली अर्चना.
बिल्कुल नहीं कर सकता. और ये हमारा सबसे बड़ा ड्रॉबैक ह्यूमन, मतलब मेन. That's why every man is trying to replicate and trying to be a woman. They are being the best painters. They are being the best cooks. You would not find a woman being, मतलब अगर 100 पेंटर्स होंगे तो उसमें से 10 वुमन होंगी, 90 आदमी होंगे. Because we are trying to create like a woman. We are trying to imitate. और करने के लिए पढ़ास निकल नहीं रही है तो क्या करें? पेंटिंग बना रहे हैं, फिल्में बना रहे हैं, चीज बना रहे हैं. वो एक बच्चा बना के खुश हो जाती है कि बना के दिखाओ.
Exactly. खाना भी इतना बनाना पड़ रहा है तब भी भूखा नहीं पड़ रहा है.
So and Jay, want to remind you that we all are ladies over here.
बिनाइफर सबके लिए आप प्लीज कवड़ीज कर दें ताकि इस सेशन को हम यहीं पे बाय बाय टाटा करें, क्योंकि ये सेशन तो पूरी रात चल सकता है और हम सब बैठ सकते हैं. एक दिन ऐसे ही करेंगे, महफिल जमाएंगे और मस्ती करेंगे. बट अभी के लिए आप कवड़ीज सबके लिए एक बार पढ़ दें. आज थोड़ा से ट्विस्ट के साथ पढ़ेंगे. There must be a reason that we are meeting again and again. There must be a reason that we are connecting again and again. And today we are connecting for the 78th time. So there must be a reason. So let's unravel what that reason is that this group is meeting again and again. It's like a core group that still remains. Thank you. We had various countries coming, going, moving, all kind of stuff happening here. And we'll end again with watching his video with silence, ताकि उसको थोड़ा सा, वो पता है क्यों? क्योंकि उसके अल्फाज बहुत अच्छे हैं, पर अब तो हमें पता है ना तूने बनाई कैसे है, तो अब जब हम देखेंगे थोड़े अलग तरीके से देखेंगे.
बताना नहीं चाहिए था मुझे.
हाँ जी, Kunaifa.
Okay, so what I got is I'm getting a lot of brightness in the family area. So we are a family somewhere. All of us have been connected, and we have become like a family because meeting every day for 2.5 hours and listening to each other, connecting with each other. People cry, people laugh. So you can only do that with family. So we have become a family. We have moved together consciously and started seeing things at a different perspective, at a different level completely. We are not ashamed to ask for help where required. And we are traveling in a place where now asking for help, we are able to give help as well. So we are also moving ahead in the same direction there. We are enjoying, there's a beautiful partnership showing where there is abundance and there is happiness. So there itself, we are bound with happiness because at the end of the day, all of us are sleeping happy. That, okay, we have achieved something at the end of the day. We've helped someone, we have listened to someone and, achieved something positive for the day. And whatever blocks that are there, what are coming towards us are just slowly and steadily opening because we are realizing things that are not in our control. And we've accepted that and we are moving ahead still with a lot of force and with a lot of positivity. So that's how everything is connected. Thank you.
Beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I'm going to share the screen now. I'm going to offer the
One जाते जाते मेरे को अभी
जाते जाते कुछ कहना चाहते हो जय? जाते जाते कुछ कहना चाहते हो? Because
मैं being the naughty side मेरे को जैसे while she was talking about happy, so there were
sorry.
4 February pool में गए, then started feeling happy. I got pissed off and walked away. Did you get the joke? मेरे को तो अपना sorry, but मैं I'm always have this very
sorry मत कहकर हमारे एक बड़े गुरु ने आके यहाँ कहा था don't
Sorry
use the
नहीं
word
कहना.
sorry. Use apologize. Sorry मैं बहुत
and who Vinaypa, who will feel happy now?
Sorry,
You
just
all will
repeat.
feel happy.
We'll all be
Please
happy.
repeat because my speakers just went off suddenly. So 1 minute, just hold on. Wait. No, you have to repeat. You have to repeat because even I have to laugh. Yeah, not fair. Wait.
अब जय जोक दोबारा सुनाएगा.
सुना दे ऐसे मत कर.
हाँ, now tell me. Yeah, now I put my headphones.
Who all are feeling happy?
Everyone, why? Okay, now tell me
Be
the
angry.
joke.
Stop feeling him.
Why are you feeling angry?
Happy is feeling angry.
Happy is feeling angry.
नहीं सब. Anyways.
चलो गाना सुनते हैं.
So hard.
Bye bye guys.
Thank you very much, Jay. It was a very nice